might call it like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis of sound, because we're looking at sound from multiple perspectives. This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library. So, light in here. The linguistics of sound, or the physics of sound. You strum a chord, or you play an instrument, and it emits a sound. There's a sound that's emitted from the instrument. So what determines the amplitude? What determines the frequency? When you play a note on an instrument, what determines the amplitude? What determines